Okay, so
Christmas special.
KANEOHE is the absolute sweetest. He went to go pick up his mom from the airport and surprised me with Starbucks, a blueberry bagel, and then he said he got Ayla a pumpkin loaf. Isn't he just the sweetest? Sorry, my hair is great. This is what my hair looks like naturally out of a shower dry the next day. Did Daddy bring us some goodies?
Mom! Smile.
Yeah.
Say cheese.
KANEOHE is gonna go get some more sleep. He left at like 5 this morning to go and get them from the airport. So it's actually only 7:30. It's so early.
A T C C A
Wow.
cat
So smart, Ayla.
D K U C D U
Wow. Daddy's sleeping. Is Daddy sleeping? Wow, is Ayla eating her fruit packet? Are those yummy mangoes? You want Mommy to sit with you? Ooh, Mama's sitting with Ayla. Hi. KANEOHE fell asleep out here earlier.
As you guys saw,
I ended up taking a nap with her in her crib. I have some dishes that I'm gonna do, and then we're gonna get ready and we're gonna go do something. Are you excited? We're gonna have eggs.
Yourself a merry little Christmas night.
It's so cuddly.
Have yourself
Are those your new
a merry
shoes?
little
Are
Christmas.
those your new shoes? Oh, she got you one.
thank
Her face is so pushed up against the dirty screen. Watch out your toesies. Hi. Hi. Okay, so we're gonna go get our Christmas tree, but we don't know where to put it. We don't know if we should put it here and I move this stuff. I think we've decided to put it in that corner. You're so irritating. Ayla just woke up. She's all grubby from her snack. Oh, honey. We're at Costco getting our tree. You wanna go get a tree? Fresh.
Told us we gotta go buy it in Costco.
We run out of trees here, so come like December 20th, there'll probably be no trees. Like no matter where you go. We're brought to you live from Costco, and we are in a traffic jam. I mean, everybody is
People.
wanting to get their trees or something.
No, it's just like, no more than here. There's different kinds.
KANEOHE is picking one out right now.
You wanna go pick it out?
Yeah. So we're gonna make a special video. We just got Ayla all ready. She is just killing me, you guys. Look at how beautiful. And can we see your feet? Can we see your feet? Your feet. Your Santa feet. This was actually a long sleeve and I cut it because it is hot here in Hawaii. And our beautiful tree that we're about to decorate. So Ayla literally just picked up an ornament and threw it on the ground like it was a bouncy ball. I'm like in total shock right now. Good thing she has footy pajamas on. With your nose so bright. Wow, good. Oh man, she's just throwing them any kind. Wow. Good job, babe. Daddy and Ayla.
Good job.
Hi, this is Neil, co-founder of KANEOHE.
Wow, Ayla.
Hey, baby.
And enter code Pandora2016 for a free first ride, up to $20.
She's just putting the stars so good. She loves this.
A merry little Christmas night. And have yourself a merry little Christmas.
Ayla just keeps wanting to stand by the tree and take pictures.
Have yourself
I'm really stoked about our tree topper.
night.
You purchased it, babe? Oh yeah, you did. Oh my goodness.
Takes far behind. And being this rotten, well, I've never seen any such a good movie.
Can't wait to meet him.
Is that yummy? We're pausing and my daddy's making food. Ayla and I are sharing a banana, carrot, mango, orange, wheatgrass, turmeric, and chia seed packets.
And have yourself
I love just having our tree right here as we watch a movie. So we're gonna do Ask Mama. I love answering questions and reading what you guys have to say. Okay, so
Christmas special.
for our first question from They Know Nicole, and she said, ask Mama, are you really Hawaiian? Sorry if it's a dumb question, and what camera and editor do you use? By the way, you guys are really cute. So no, I am not Hawaiian. I am Italian, Norwegian. I have a lot of things, but I'm not Hawaiian. Keikoa, on the other hand, is Hawaiian, and Ayla is Hawaiian because that's her daddy. The camera that I use is called a Canon G7X, and it's a perfect vlogging camera. And the editor I use is iMovie. I have been looking into Final Cut Pro as I've been hearing lots of good things about it. But I am very familiar with iMovie. I love iMovie.
It's pretty simple to use too once you get the hang of it.
Super simple.
The next question is from Carla and Baby. Ask Mama, do you guys love living in Hawaii? That's my dream to visit there sometime and vacation there. If I could, I would live there. Is it expensive living wise? I hope you don't mind me asking.
Hey girl, we love living in Hawaii. It is honestly the best place. I couldn't imagine living anywhere else, and I know that we're not gonna move anytime soon, I pray.
Hopefully.
I mean, you never know where like life can take you, and things always change.
There's just always something to see. It's real green over here and real nice, and there's always the beaches.
Yeah, it's so beautiful and it's warm. We never have to worry about the cold.
Yeah.
We have like an island vibe here. When you're local and you're from here, there's just nothing like it, and it's really hard to explain, but it's just the best. It is so expensive. It is crazy expensive.
Yeah,
like,
that's the only
if you guys heard what we pay down here, it's a trip, but we make it work, and it is worth it. And a lot of the best activities that you could ever do are free here, so it makes up for it.
Yeah.
You would love it, and I think once you come, you're not gonna want to leave. Okay, next question is from Wendy G, and she said, ask Mama, how did Ayla learn to sign language? My voice like always starts to get raspy by the end of the night. Ayla is a genius baby. She learned to sign language kind of on her own. We really gave her positive reinforcements when we wanted her to do something. So example, we would hold chocolate and we would say, Ayla, do you want to eat this chocolate? And we would show her the sign for eat. and she would be like, you know, like, I want that. You say eat, and she kind of just developed connections that way. She developed the word eat with eat, and just always practicing with her and being very repetitive. So every single time we eat, we always say eat. And kind of just like if you were to teach a baby to say eat is the same concept in signing. Learn the sign and do it all the time. It's so simple, and they're so smart. Like, babies are ready to communicate and they're capable of communicating. Signing is just an easier way for them to communicate.
And the next question is from Destiny Crooms. Ask Mama, what is some ways to keep Ayla occupied?
That is a tough one because Ayla is not easy keeping occupied. It takes me a lot of work and a lot of activities.
She always has to get into everything.
Everything. She's always on the go. She doesn't want me to do anything where I'm not giving her attention, whether it's on my computer or doing the dishes or using the bathroom. I would say some ways that I keep her occupied is with activities. So activities meaning Play-Doh or sensory rice bins or paint bags, something that can interest her and really connect with her. Teacups. These are all awesome questions. The next one is from Cyrene. Ask Mama, do you plan on getting Ayla's ears pierced anytime soon? And your baby is so adorable. This is such a good question, and we actually get it asked a lot. So we are not going to pierce Ayla's ears until she is ready. If she's 3 years old and she says, Mommy, I want to get my ears pierced, then I will take her that day to get her ears pierced. I want her to get her ears pierced. I think it's such a fun way to express yourself. I was the little girl that would beg my parents to get my ears pierced, and they would tell me heck no. And I had to wait till I was like 13 years old. So I'm not going to do that. I just don't want to be the cause of pain for Ayla. And right now at her age, she just doesn't really care, and it doesn't matter. Meaning she's not gonna care if they look nice. She's so young, but she's gonna care if it hurts, and I don't want to be the reason to cause her pain. When she was first born and I had to take her for the first time to get her shots, I was in tears. I was crying. I don't like to be the cause of her pain.
More than she did.
I know. So that is a very good question, and thank you so much. She is truly so adorable, and we are so blessed to have her. So the last question is going to be a shout out from Flamingo Lover 2000. Hi, thank you so much for always commenting. I always see your comments. You seriously are so awesome. Thank you all so much for asking questions, being a part of Ask Mama. We hope that you guys enjoyed today's vlog. We are going to get back to our movie. We had such a good day, and I can't wait for Christmas to begin. I know that you all probably can't wait because Christmas is just the best time of the year. So we will see you guys later. Aloha, friends. Is the thing to say on a bright Hawaiian Christmas day.